What if the life you want isn't out there, but waiting within your words, actions, and choices? I Am the Words That Shape Your Destiny teaches that the words you speak define your life. Declare your power, embrace your identity, and shape a future of strength and purpose. I Am. Discovering your true self and limitless possibilities shows that your true self has always been within you. Live Today reminds you that joy isn't in tomorrow. It's now. Embrace gratitude, presence, and fulfillment in every moment. The power of consistency proves that lasting change comes from steady, committed action. Build habits that stick, strengthen resilience, and transform your life. Discover the life-changing works of Trillion Mantey, because your journey to empowerment starts today.